guys, happy Tuesday. Okay, so today we are going to I'm going to make sure that this is not in the way because I know you see me down here. I'm trying to move it so it's not in the way too much. Anyways, we are going to look at our vocabulary words for today. Actually, hold on. I'm going to make it to where you can see the screen only. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, we're going to look at our vocabulary words, and these are words that we need to know in order to understand what's going on in our story this week, in the story of the week. So here are the words. So what I want you to do before we get started, you can pause this video, go ahead and go get your journal, and we're going to add the word and a picture of what the word means to our journals. So go ahead and pause the video real fast so that you can be ready. You will need a pencil, crayons, and a journal. Okay, now that you have all of your supplies, let's look at our words for this week. The first word is crawls. Do you know what crawls means? Yeah. Like the baby crawls on the grass, right? To crawl. Babies crawl. Sometimes cats crawl. My dog, he lays on his belly and then he starts crawling on the ground and he drags his belly on the ground. So crawls is a one way to move, right? On your hands and your knees, or on your, if you're an animal, on your belly and your feet. Okay, so that's our word crawls, like the baby crawls in the grass. So that is one of the words that we're going to have in our story this week. So we have to make sure we know what that means. Okay, crawls. Good. The next word. What do you think is happening in this picture? There's a girl peeking out from behind a tree. This is the word peeks. Can you say that word? Say the word peeks. Peeks. The girl peeks out from behind the tree. So what do you, just from looking at the picture and hearing my sentence, what do you think the word peeks means? That's right. To peek means you're popping out and you're looking from behind something. So the girl is looking, she's peeking out from behind a tree. Peeks. That's the word peeks. Okay? So we've got crawls, peeks. And let's look at this word. What is happening in the picture here? What is happening in the picture? I see boxes, and I see somebody opened a box and they're pulling something out. So what does that mean? If you have moved somewhere and you have lots of boxes full of stuff and you have to take it out, what are you doing? You're unpacking. So that's what that means. So these women, it looks like it could be an office, like maybe they moved to a new building or a new office, but they unpack, they're unpacking. So the lady unpacks this box of office supplies. So the word, which I wish I could move this out of the way, can't see it. Sorry. Unpacks. So that's what that word down there says. It says unpacks, meaning that she's taking stuff out, unpacking the boxes because they moved somewhere. Unpacks. And our last word. Our last word this week is this word right here. This is the word plunks. 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 Have you ever heard the word plunks before? Yeah. So this is a picture from the story that we're going to read this week. So let me read the sentence that has that word in it, And maybe you can figure out what that word means just from using the context clues of what's happening in the picture and the other words around the word. Mateo unpacks bowls. Dad plunks down cat food. I have an idea. So what do you think that word plunks means? It says, Dad plunks down cat food. Yeah, very good. Plunks is another word for setting something down in a loud manner. So if you had a bag of cat food or a bag of dog food and you just plunk it on the ground, that means that you're dropping it in a way where it plunks on the table. Plunk, right? You plunk something down, you're putting it down, a certain way to put something down. So in our story, the dad is plunking down the cat food. He's trying to do something, and we're going to find that out this week when we read our story of the week. We're going to find out what he has to do for our feline friend. Okay, so like I asked you earlier, you need to grab your journal and open to a blank page. So you already should have it because we paused the video, remember, and we grabbed our materials. We are going to draw a picture of the word, and then you're going to write the word underneath it. Okay, so you're going to draw a picture of what the word means and then write the word. So go ahead and pause this video and draw the pictures and write the words for our 4 vocabulary words for the week. Go ahead and press pause. Okay. Great. Good. All right, so let's look. What we're going to do now that you have journaled all of the words inside of your journal, your job is to pick one vocabulary word. Oh, you know what? Let me present again. We're going to pick one vocabulary word. So one of the words that we just learned, crawls, peeks, unpacks, or plunks. And you are going to choose one of those words and draw a picture of what that word means. So you can pick which one that you want, and then you're going to illustrate or draw what that picture means. This page is also inside of your My View book on page 78. So if you look down here, there's an apple and it says 78. A 7 and an 8 make the number 78. So all you have to do is open your journal, your My View book to page 78, and you can do the work inside of that page and then take a picture and upload it. But I have also provided this page inside of Seesaw as well. So if you are at the Wesley, if you do not have your My View book on you, you can still do the assignment in Seesaw. I cannot wait to see what you do with your words. All right, see you guys later.